Good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss about topic network security. Network security. That topic having the Caesar Cipher. Okay, before go for Caesar Cipher, we should know what are the basic terminologies available in the network security. First one I can discuss that is what is encryption. Encryption means encrypted text from the unreadable format. After having decryption, unreadable format into this plain text. And then we have some key terms are there: plain text, original message, then having the key and keys, number of shift operations, and having ciphertext are there. Ciphertext nothing about is the encrypted message text. Now we can go for as the what is the our thing the plain text. We'll give the plain text is encryption key value equal to 18. What we can see the output in the form of the Excel. For that Excel, we have to go before go for the Excel, little bit some introduction about what is the encryption process will be taken place. First, we have to say here. First, this from as the Alice, this from as the Bob. Okay, here you want to send some message from here. Suppose send the message where is a hello. Okay, hello, you can transmit it. While transmitting time, we have to perform from as the encryption mechanism want to perform. Along with having the key values are available. Here having the decryptions are available. We have to use from as the K to read by the original message. Read by original message. Here I have a ciphertext be available. This only call about the encryption side, decryption side. We can receive by the original message was received. What is the formula for the Caesar cipher is that Caesar cipher equal to original message plus K plus mod 26. Then when I go for decryption side, when having the C minus K mod 26 want to be applied. Now directly we can go from as the Excel sheet. First go from as the message call about as the encryption. For the encryption, we have a reserve somewhat increase in the data. For that, we have to write here what is our text N C R Y P T I O Z. Okay, there's our entire text. Okay, the text we can make by some color for that color to easy to understood. Okay, and also increase the font size. Font size encryption as the our message. Okay, we have to give the key value as per we discussed. Key value equal to 18 for that. For this particular position, we have to E. When you go for the ABC letter, we write from as the A to Z having the 0 to 25 is available. When I go for the E text, we have in that is a 4, person equal to 4. N having that is a value equal to 13. Then C having that is a 2 and R having that is a 17. Then Y is a 24. Then having that is a P. A we having color about 15. Then T we with the position of the T is a 19. Then I position is that is a 8. Then O position is that 14. Then N, the N position equal to 13. So here we have to refer that what is the respective position for that. Our key value equal to 18. Just to fix that as the 18 character. Then now we have to apply that is the function. The already set now. What is the text for that? When I apply by the text, we have in the dimension that C plus M plus K by mod 22 want to be applied. Here the message is there now message. They got about the M plus K then mod 26 have to be applied. That is having the process. We having the key value equal to the 18. We have to add. We have to add simply drag and drop here. Now after the getting the result, you want to apply by mod 26 want to be applied here. Once apply the mod 26, we got the value. Okay, we got the value about 22, comma 5, 29, and 16, 7, 11, 1, 6, 5 are there. So what is the ciphertext for the 22? 22 we have it is the W. Okay, and having the 5 having it is the F. Then 20 having the U. Then 9 text 9 having the J. Then having 16. We have in the Q. Okay, 7 we have in there is the H. Then 11 we have in the L. Okay, then 1 having the B. 6 having the G. Then 5 corresponding the letter having there is the F. Okay, now we have to be applying the same font size to all the text. We can able to see that what is the text I have to compromise the text. If you want to combine the text, you cannot possible read about this text. They have to read by the spelling wise only, but you cannot possible write from as the any meaningful word will not available. So it cannot possible to read about. So this call about the cipher text for the cipher text. When you make by decryption side, we have to apply decryption side. Just you have to apply by the reverse procedure for the reverse procedure. For that, we have to write from here. First, we have to write from as the cipher. The cipher text that you can see by the increase of font size equal to 48. Okay, cipher text. We write by as it is on this value. Okay, as it is by ciphertext, that position of that is a particular letter. We write this is the position for that position. So we write by the position for that. The position value just copy paste and make from that is a copy paste, and I have to paste as special as the value for that. Display the value. Now we want to apply by C minus K want to apply. For that, first of all, we should know C minus K before I have to know what the K value. The K value is that K value you want to follow by the 18. Okay, we have to apply by the 18 for that. Okay, once apply the 18 here, just have to be drag and drop with the right hand column wise, row wise have to be expand. Now, after the apply by this particular the row value, just have to be a drag and drop from as all the value, just C minus K. What is the C value? That is mean as the equal to with this one minus this one. We have to apply here. Average is a 4. So write by this. Okay. Now you can see here whenever having the minus numbers are coming. Minus number. Okay. Minus number mean this is our cipher text is the unreadable format. After giving the key value, okay, after giving the key value, we got by some cipher text we received. Some text we can able to understood, but minus values are there. Now you cannot possible to understood. When I want to apply by the minus 13 by mod 26 also, it become a same value only. So you can write by wherever the values are there, just write the mod 26 with this above cell value. So you can apply by mod 26. Okay, will give some space for that. I'll tell why you want to add that one. Suppose apply over here equal to mod with this particular cell comma 20 want to be applied. This with the formula you can return by the remainder value for the remainder value you can able to come. The remainder value will come from as the middle. Okay. Once of coming the remainder value, only we have to try about as the only the positive value only. The remaining negative value you should not try this one. Now see that 4 comma 2's are there. When you want to perform from as this particular the value, totally how many alphabets value 20 alphabets having. So you have to write. Okay, we have to write that entire the 20 alphabet value. In this position, we have to write from plus 26 plus 26 with plus with this value. So we can able to identify from the text. Okay, when having that is the we want to add by the plus 26 to them. Okay, we can able to get by the respective positive number we can come. That is the meaning that when I adding the both number now, do 26 will become 26, 26, 26, 26. Everything only 26 for that. Now, if you apply the formula for that, okay, we can get by the value for that 4, 13, 2, 17, 24, 15, 19, 9, 14, 13. Now we can see that the 4. What is the 4? 4, 13, 2, 17, 24. So 2, 17, 24, 15, 19. So when you can see by here, whenever text is there, text when I want to apply by decryption text, the both are as a matched. Both are as a matched. So when I giving by the encryption message, I have encryption as the message. For the encryption message, okay, once you have to apply the encryption message, okay, we will get by the output from as that will getting by the output value coming by as a encryption only. So what is encryption message? W ciphertext have W F U J Q H I L B G H. These are ciphertext for that. When I apply the process, when I want to perform from this formula for that, just to simply drag and drop, we got the value for this 13, 4, 13. You can see now I have to map that one. Map that one mean what is the ciphertext is there. By receiver can able to understood by what is the plain text we received. This one is the Caesar cipher with having the encryption example about that. Say 18. Suppose if you want to change by as a suppose 24s are there. 24s are there. This value come the different one. This is another example for that. So corresponding value by this one. So in this one have to give by the reference for that because we type the text but we didn't give any reference value for that. We have type by the position for that 2. The 2 means the 2 having the C, okay, here having the C, then 11 having this L, we having L, then having the 0 having this A, then 15 we having the P, okay, next having this 22 having this W, then 13 we having this N, and 17 having as a R, then 7 we having that is a message, 7 is the H, okay, then 12 we having this a M, 11 equal to N. Now this is your text. Okay, you have to copy, have to paste here. Okay, what is the text corresponding value? Just you have to paste here. Okay, pasting time just paste only by the value. So you can paste by the value only. Now key value equal 24. So here I have to apply by 24. Simply drag and drop here. Once drag and drop, will got by the minus value only come there. Once apply the minus values are there. Now if you want to add by plus 26, plus 26 want to be add. For that we want to apply here plus 26 want to add. So we got this value about 4, 13, 2, 17, 24, 15, 19, 9, 14, 13. So the respective value become as that is the same value. So this value, this positions are matched now. So we got the correct output for that. When I given the encryption message, when I plain text having there is a encryption key value to 24, we can able to receive that as the encryption message will be coming. Okay. This one has a small tips to run by the reserve Caesar cipher. It is a